It's a very blustery, wet day here in England. So if you are watching in Australia, I know it's the middle of the morning, but you might watch tomorrow. I am making kimchi. So I have lots of kimchi juice on my hand. Let me see if I can do this one-handed and turn my camera around. Otherwise I might have to just turn it upside down. Kimchi. Kimchi, kimchi, kimchi. There we go. Look. Beautiful kimchi. And I'm going to put the steps into the group. Look at that. Amazing kimchi. So I'll put the steps in the group. It's quite an easy thing to do, but it's just the right time of year to do it. And let me show you two of the jars that I've got ready to go. My very kimchi hands. Look at that, doesn't that look good? Ginger, garlic, cabbage, carrot. It's already bubbling. It's already starting to bubble. And I did put a little bit of water kefir in. Hey Liz, hey Nina, hey Claire. It's already bubbling. I better not hold it by the lid, it might blow off. There we go, there's another jar. So I'm getting these ready for Christmas really, because I'll make big jars and then I will divvy them up into smaller jars and give them away for presents. So I've got still another whole big bowl's worth to go.